SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost graph. Also, they essentially thought. SLP sort of countenances opposition at $3, or so they generally thought. Smooth Love Elixir by and large is buy and by esteemed at $3 backing for the fundamentally bears for the most part has been laid out at $3.05 April 2024. In this video we will in every practical sense walk you through in every way that really matters. Smooth Love Mixture cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now and sort of attempt to answer these regularly by and large clarified some pressing issues facts. What truly is in every practical sense transient cost expectation for pretty Smooth Love Elixir by and large is SLP a sort of wise interest in an unpretentious manner. Smooth Love Mixture support and opposition levels and so on amazingly. Be that as it may, prior to jumping exceptionally profound into the SLP specialized investigation, really let us sort of discuss the especially current economic situations, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. Market examination over the especially last 24 hours. There generally was a destruction of 184%, bringing the extremely whole digital money market to $2 492, 603, 616, 514. So yet prior to plunging sort of profound into the SLP specialized investigation, certainly let us sort of discuss the very current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. In every practical sense, complete exchanging volume truly remains at $105, 179, 779.26, or so they really thought. Bitcoin shares 52.82% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a predominance of 16.33%. So however prior to plunging truly profound into the SLP specialized examination, basically let us sort of discuss the genuinely current economic situations, which basically is very huge, which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $66,895 wild level after a decay of 59%, exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum generally has seen a value reduction of 3.8% coming to $3,257.94 during the past 24 hours, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $578.84, following a value change of 19% within a similar time period in a by and large significant manner. Sol, the especially local coin of Solana, truly is somewhere near $857 and at present exchanging at $172.88 in an unobtrusive manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to $0.60 subsequent to seeing a downfall of 77% in esteem in a huge way. These occasions generally show that the market especially is going in a very descending bearing for in every practical sense. Present moment, which truly is genuinely huge. Right now, an especially broad by and large bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in a for the most part enormous manner. Smooth Love Mixture backing and opposition backing and obstruction certainly are significant specialized markers used to distinguish genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in an unpretentious way. Support truly is a level at which purchases explicitly become considerably more truly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which truly is very huge. Similarly, obstruction for the most part is a level at which dealers generally move exceptionally dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving commonly higher in an unpretentious manner. Following are the help and obstruction levels of essentially Smooth Love Elixir SLP Smooth Love Mixture execution, in every practical sense, day to day. Graph of certainly Smooth Love Mixture truly shows that the SLP value sort of has a very descending development with a 118% diminishing in certainly beyond 24 hours in an unobtrusive way. The value worth of the very Smooth Love Mixture SLP coin for the most part is remaining at $3 with market capitalization $137 to 76 313 USD, showing how SLP truly faces obstruction at $3. Exceptionally, in spite of prevalent thinking, SLP cost changes 4.8% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume explicitly is drifting around 10 at 10 395 115 USD, which basically is very huge. Smooth Love Mixture Value Examination SLP Cost Examination for 05 April 2024 inside a very day-to-day time period explicitly made sense of beneath, which certainly shows that Smooth Love Elixir in a real sense is buy and by esteemed at $3 backing for the especially bears truly has been laid out at $305 April 2024. In this video, we will for the most part walk you through buy and large smooth love elixir cost investigation for now or for truly 1 week from now, and essentially attempt to answer these regularly in every way that really matters. Clarified some things facts. What generally is somewhat momentary cost expectation for truly smooth love elixir. Truly is SLP an excellent interest in an extremely significant manner. We utilize kind. Aim to sort of investigate the future development of the fundamentally smooth love mixture, showing how similarly obstruction sort of is a level at which vendors explicitly move really dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which in every practical sense is very critical. The very relative strength record RSI shows that the SLP coin in a real sense is close oversold zone, as RSI especially is at 34, so smooth love elixir most certainly is buy and by esteemed at $93 backing for the truly bears basically has been laid out at $93.05 April 2024. In this video, we will especially walk you through sort of smooth love mixture cost examination for now or for buy and large 1 week from now, and certainly attempt to answer these regularly, especially got clarification on some things facts. What in every practical sense is all things considered, transient cost expectation for in every way that really matters. Smooth love mixture. April 2024. In this video, we will by and large walk you through sort of smooth love mixture cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now, and explicitly attempt to answer these regularly generally sought clarification on pressing issues facts. What essentially is especially transient cost expectation for really smooth love mixture, in every practical sense, is SLP a wise speculation, which truly is very huge. Smooth love mixture financial backers need to for the most part sit tight for any directional change over the day-to-day graph. So SLP really faces obstruction at $03, or so they in every practical sense thought. While SLP's Williams percent R pointer certainly is at 73.5 or 78 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition, exchange genuinely signal generally is entirely conceivable at this reach, which explicitly shows what in every way that really matters brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $66 to $895 level after a decay of Zoom 59% in an especially significant manner. As per the regular turn, the critical prompt obstruction for SLP may for the most part be buy and large found at $3, buy and large followed by $4, or so they truly thought. Meanwhile, the cryptocurrency's help levels sort of were situated at $3 and afterward $3, which generally is genuinely huge. Ends there generally had been a kind of regrettable pattern for quite a while, and it appears to be that the coin's recovery will in a real sense go on as kind of lengthy as it explicitly stays in the ruddy region. Kind of additional appearance how fundamentally smooth love mixture financial backers need to sort of sit tight for any directional change over the in every practical sense day-to-day graph. So SL